I know the feeling. You do the math in your head the way you do when you can't sleep. Subtract the years, carry the weight of everything you haven't done yet, and come up with a number that scares you. You look in the mirror at a face that wasn't supposed to still be figuring things out. You thought by now you'd know. You thought by now you'd have arrived. Somewhere that felt like somewhere. And instead it's Tuesday. And instead it's this. I know how that sits. Heavy and quiet. Like a house nobody visits anymore. You scroll past people half your age, doing the thing you always said you do. It's something in your chest does that thing it does. You close the app, you open it again, you close it. You started sentences 100 times that sound like, one day I'm going to, and then life got in the way of life, and one day kept moving without you. I know you're tired of being the person with the unlived dream in their chest like a stone you've learned to breathe around. But here's what I need you to hear. Not that it's too late. Not yet. First, I need you to hear this. The fact that you still want it means something. Wanting died in a lot of people a long time ago. They made peace with the smaller life and closed the door and stopped hearing it knock. But you still hear it knocking. That want in you is not embarrassing. That want in you is not delusion. That want in you is the only part of you that never once agreed that it was over. It's not too late. But more than that, you are not behind. You are not late. You are a person who survived enough to still be standing here wanting something. And that's not nothing. That is, in fact, everything.